Ready? Are you
Yeah,
going?
go.
Jules, watch.
She did one where she... It's okay, look, it's a toy.
She's gonna have a heart attack.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, time out. Louis.
I seriously am scared she might have a heart attack.
Follow my eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can't tell if she loves it or is absolutely petrified.
Oh my gosh.
I think she loves it.
She's scared. Are these for real?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Poor baby Jules.
Oh my gosh. I think she loves it.
I don't know if she likes it. I think she's terrified of it. Don't make it.
Megan, watch this.